at East Side Highway. Gonna head north. Alright, just a quick stop here right before Corvallis so that I can put the GPS on. Alright, ready to rock? Looks like we're going to be taking Woodside Crossing. The intersection you all know in Corvallis, Montana. Crossing, headed to Highway 93. Here we are at Highway 93, gonna make a right heading north toward Victor, Montana. Alright, cruising at a comfortable 8.1K RPM, indicated speed 71, GPS 65. Now approaching a left turn at Bear Creek Road. Coming off of Highway 93, headed to the west. Coming up on Red Crow Road. We're gonna make a left. I'm sorry, a right. I guess I'm getting older. I can't think straight anymore. Keeping it about 35 miles per hour on this road. It's paved, but it's still a little bit slick, and there are unexpected potholes like that one. So we are on private land now. It's not a private road, however, so we're still clear. And according to the GPS, we only got 2 minutes to Bear Creek Trailhead, which was my original goal of this ride. I think we just might make it this time. Well, it got pretty rough through that section, but it's looking a little better now. My friends, I present to you the Bear Creek Trailhead. Now we're just going to find some shade and park and explore. This looks good to me. This place is really nice. This trail is great. It goes on for who knows how long to the south. There's another trail that goes north. Let's try that one before we ride out. So about a half mile down, I guess. Let's go a half mile down the other one. All right, back at the parking area. Let's try this route. I see some campers down there. What a great place. Great ride. Great hike. I guess it's time to hit it. Better gear up. Had to stop here and get a shot of that really nice old bridge. I love those old wooden bridges. It reminds me of Rush's red barchetta. Let's rock. Log homes. Got to get my helmet on so we can get back to the highway. And what better place to stop than an old cool tractor? Gonna take the long way home through Victor Crossing. Got the helmet on, ready to rock and roll. All right, Butterfly, see you later. Gotta go. Bye, buddy. So we're going to go left here instead of straight. Good times, new adventures. Rock and roll. Tour of Victor. Tiny town. Looks peaceful. Alright, coming up on Highway 93, we're going to head south just for a minute. Passing by the, what is that? The Sinclair, the dinosaur gas. For those of you that believe that gas came from dinosaurs, I guess. And here we are at Victor Crossing. That's it. That's the end.
Thanks for watching. Another A+ for the Smax for the Yamaha, and we are out. Catch you next time.